You have this ability to think about products and brand in a different way. How do you select problems to solve? How do you choose which problems you want to work on and then make sure that you build something that actually solves that problem?
I think about it in the sense of myself. I think it would be very difficult for me, and I'm not saying other people can't do it, but to do things that you can't relate to, right? So I always start with the idea that if it's a problem for me, likelihood is it's a problem for other people like me, whether that be other young women or other women in the middle of America. But it's like the starting point is always, what do I find problematic? And then I think the lens and the kind of red thread that goes through all of my companies is this idea that, and again, I hate saying it because in the last kind of 5 years, it's almost become like this sort of buzzword. But when we think about inclusivity in business and what that actually means, including and thinking about the most amount of people possible. When I started Good American, it was actually a reaction to this idea that so many women of color, plus size women, are just completely left out of the fashion conversation. And why is their dollar any less valuable than anybody else's? And so I had worked in marketing for all of these years. For 15 years, I grew this incredible agency, and I'd done castings and, put projects and collaborations together for the biggest and best brands in the whole world. And I'd been part of actually falsifying an image of inclusivity.